All right, this video is on the application of inequalities. So, you can think of what information are you given, what are you solving for, and does your solution make sense in the context of the problem? So let's look at number 1 and answer the questions to it. Missy is saving to attend a week summer camp. She needs $250 to register. Her parents will contribute $75. She needs to raise the rest of the money babysitting for $12 per hour. What is the minimum number of hours? Tells you where your X goes. She must babysit in order to attend camp. All right, so what does the variable represent? It's saying number of hours. So it's going to represent number of hours. All right, let's write the inequality. And she needs $250 to register. So we've got the $75 that her parent contributed plus the 12x times the number of hours, and she needs it to be greater than 250 because she used to have it just at least that. Okay, so on your EOG or check-in, highlight what you need to know. Okay, figure out what the variable is and see where it goes. Number 2, the youth soccer team is fundraising by washing cars. They paid $84.55 for supplies. That means we got to take that out. If they charge $8 per wash, how many cars must they be washed to profit at least, that's great in the greater than or equal to column, $300. So how many cars? So our variable represents the number of cars washed. All right, let's write the inequality. So we're going to start with the 8x, the number of cars. We have to take away the $84.55 because that's not making a profit in anything. You have to take that out. And then $300 is at least $300. Okay. Number 3, Joan has a bank account with $350 in it. Every week she withdraws $12.50 to attend movies. What is the maximum number of weeks that Joanne can withdraw the money without allowing her bank account to drop below 210? Okay, so the bank account, in the bank, there's $350. And she spends $12.50 each week. What you need to know is what is the maximum number of weeks Joanne can go to the movies. Without going below $210. So without going below. All right, so we got $350 in her bank account. She withdraws, that means takes away $12.50 a week, and she cannot go below 210. Okay, so if we put this in the calculator, we got 350 minus the 1250x, and down here I'm putting 210, alpha, enter, and I get 11.2. We divided by negative, so we've got to switch that. So x is less than or equal to 11.2. Come over here, 11.2, close circle, shaded to the left. Number 4, the jet ski rental charges a flat rate of $75 plus an additional $60 per hour. You do not want to spend more than $200. How many hours can you rent the jet ski and still be under budget? So you know that it's a flat rate of $75. The rental is $60 per hour. You got a maximum $200. What you need to know is how many hours can the jet ski be rented for? All right, so we got this question. We've got 75, and it's plus an additional $60 per hour. And then you can stay under your budget, so no more than $200. So if we solve that, we've got 75 plus 60x. Come down here and do 200. Enter. Alpha. Enter. 2.08, which rounds out to 2.1. Come over here to 2.1. Close circle. Shade it to the left. All right. Jerome has raked 2.5 bags of leaves and rakes 2 bags of leaves per hour. In how many hours will Jerome have raked at least 12 bags? Okay, so he's already raked 2.5 bags. And then he rakes 2 bags per hour. What you need to know is how many hours will Jerome have raked at least 12 bags of leaves. All right, so we start with the 2.5 that he already has, plus the 2x times the hours at least is greater than or equal to 12. Let me do this in this way, minus the 2.5. 2x is greater than or equal to 9.5. Divide by 2. X is greater than or equal to 4.75. So 4.75. Closed, shaded to the right. All right, and the last one. An amusement park ride requires the riders are at least 48 inches tall to ride. Michael is 42 inches tall and grows about 1/2 inches each month. How many months will it be until Michael can ride amusement park? So what we know, you must be 48 inches tall. He grows 1/2 inch per month. Okay, what do you need to know? How many months will it be until Michael and ride the rides. All right, we'll set it up. It goes 1/2 inch per month plus the 42. It has to be at least the greater than or equal to column 48 inches tall. All right. So we got 48 plus 42 and then 1/2 x. Multiply by the reciprocal minus 42. 48 minus 42 is 6. 6 times 2 over 1 is 12. So x is greater than or equal to 12. We come to 12, closed circle, shaded to the right. Any questions, just ask.